Smart Kids TV.
A for apple, A for ant, B for bed and B for ball, C for cat and C for cup, D for dog and D for doors, E for egg and E for elephant, F for frog and F for fish, G for goat and G for grass, H for hen and H for head, I for ink and I for insect, J for jar and J for juice, K for king and K for kite, L for lamp and L for leaf, M for man and M for monkey, N for neck and N for nose, O for ocean and O for oar, P for plum and P for parrot, Q for queen and Q for quill, Q, R for rope and R for rat, S for sun and S for sunflower, T for tap and T for dove, U for uncle and U for umbrella, V for violin and V for violet, W for well and W for water, X for box and X for fox, Y for yacht and Y for yellow, Z for zoo and Z for zebra, Z.
Like, comment and subscribe.